What's up, everybody? I'm doing a dev stream. We're just doing a couple little cleanup things. We gotta fix the banner, we gotta fix the bucket and the stick and the gore. Cause it'd be nice just to get all the physics stuff out of the way, cause it's janky and really peculiar. Um, um, then we'll do the light. We're probably gonna do this one. We'll do this one last. I want to make the map basically finished because the outskirts is not important. It might not even be added to the game. I did waste like 4 hours making all of that. Well, I didn't waste it because I do want to add it, but the outskirt thing, I'm most likely going to use the dome for the skybox. But like the terrain, I might use it. It depends on if I have enough time or not to put the vehicles in because you won't be able to traverse it otherwise. We'll see. It's like a maybe for babies kind of thing. Um, what is wrong with this? Alright, what is this big ass box in the middle? Oh. What is the base bone? I'm assuming that's that thing. And delete this. That would make more sense, I think. Pretty sure that's the base bone. So none of these are lining up, so that makes me think. Like, I think I removed the bone generator script. I think I need to put it back on there because that's not supposed to be down there like that. I'm almost so curious why it's not connected. Like, can you not make? Well, that's not true because it works for the character. The character's connected, but I don't have physics enabled. But it works for the exterminator too, though. They ragdolls, and I used custom, a custom one just like this for the banner. Um, well, we're gonna open up. I better check my shit. Testing, testing, testing. Okay. Put my timer on. I don't trust OBS anymore. Do not trust it anymore. And we're gonna go to the banners, blend file. Maybe there's something wrong with the armature that I didn't notice. Okay, looks fine to me. And those are just shapes that become collision shapes that are attached to a bone. These are connected. All of this works. Oh, there is some issue here though, looks like. Hang on. Oh, that's a problem. Shit. I have to re-export this. The collision shapes are fine, it's just this needs to be fixed. Like, which way is it? Like, what the fuck is going on? Oh, strength 1. I had the wrong setting. God damn it. The wooden frame should not be moved. What the hell? What is it grabbing? What the fuck is it grabbing? There's something inside my model. Oh, there's another one inside it. Minus coal only. Okay, and just kill the armature. God, that was confusing. Save. I guess we're gonna hide that. Okay. Now we've fixed the issue with that. This is not part of the skeleton anymore, which is fine. We got a base bone collision shape here. Why did that get so big? Don't even make sense. Well, we're gonna delete you because you're a jackass. But like, why though? You know how to export thing. This is just a limitation of the ragdoll system. It's just really shitty. You can't change the scale on anything, and it's for some reason. Like, I could change the scale on this, but I don't think it's gonna work. Like, it'll show it, like it'll work, but as soon as you do the start ragdoll process, this is gonna scale back to 11111 because Godot's kind of stupid like that. It's fine though. We're just gonna at least get this ragdoll stuff working. This is disabled anyways, so don't have to really worry about it. We get all this stuff onto our thing. Alright, so generate hitboxes. So it goes on the physical bone simulator, and this is ragdoll start, which is different than physics object. Physics object, it's similar, but has no. It doesn't check to see if you're dead or alive. It just goes. I'll have to make different versions of this. Actually, I might just have to take this one and make it more complex, because I do want. It'd be cool to have destructible environments, but I'm gonna have to figure out a system, and it can't be complex. It's gotta be simple. I just don't have the time for that. I got other projects I need to get done that I want to get done, that I want to work on. Not that I don't want to work on Risk of Heresy. It's just this is a stepping stone for me. It'll be a really fun stepping stone, but I gotta start somewhere. Yeah, all the stuff I learned from this is gonna change. I gotta go back to all my TLV assets. I gotta change some stuff. I gotta change the armatures, because there's a lot of constraints that are incompatible. The armature setup has a lot of floating bones. You can't do that in Godot unless you add it separately as its own scene to a marker position. So I could have a bunch of markers on the characters for where the bones need to go, and make a different scene of like holsters and stuff like that, quivers. So confused. Why is this these aren't loaded in correctly? Did I move the physical bone? Is this a transform? I don't know about. Ooh, it does. I don't know how that happened. Just gotta get this back in position. Do not know how these moved, but they did. Okay, so there we go. We got our bones back into position. Check our settings. We do not have the damp bone enabled. That seemed to help. I made it 50. We're gonna just oh, should I do replace? We're gonna do replace. I need to mess with that more, because I was under false impressions of what it was doing exactly. I mean, I get the ideal about what it's doing, but would like to see a definitive scale. So we got friction. Definitely want 0.5. When in doubt, 50%. Yeah, figured it would crash. So this is for trying to assign value type of area 3D to visible to. It's probably because where's canyon grass? Amy. Oh, this ain't a physical object. Where's this surgeon at? We got nav collision and then okay, that's the same. This would just be so it's on the skeleton, so 0, 1, 2. What? Oh wait, canyon grass. We're looking at be 0, 1. So I'm gonna move this here. I don't know how that got moved around, but it did. So that's the glitch. That's the silly one. Yeah, testing the settings. I don't think this is gonna work. It's not working. I clearly forgot to turn something on. I don't know what I forgot, but it's not turning on. That's for sure. Enter mode 5 much scale. Skeleton 3, we got our skeleton bones in here. Okay. 3D is on. Collision 3, that's correct. Can you quit asking me that? God, it's so glitchy. This is still working. Don't need to use that, but so active 0.5, log off. Do I need to make it active first? It says it's active already. So joint constraints are off. Joint constraints are off in here. Linear X. So the ball simulator is fine. There's nothing else in here that would do anything. Does it need to be? Oh, I know what it is. I figured it out. Because I gotta reconnect there. This is why I prefer code connections, because it would automatically do it on the ready, and I don't have to connect this manually every fucking time. That's why this isn't working. Hopefully it doesn't fall apart, because it's not a, Okay, it didn't fall apart. Phew. Ugh. Okay, we're registering hits. That's cool. Just not doing anything. good. At least it's this is connected now. Yeah, we leave debug. Slower debug stuff. Seeing 3D physical bones at 136 condition P bones that physical bone is true. 136. Well, I don't like errors. We're gonna get rid of it. I'm not seeing enough stuff in here. Oh, you mean in here? What, on this? The physical bone thing? According to this, there's something wrong with my generator script. It's a big script. I need to put the purple category thing in here as well. For bone and invisible bones, if bone is a physical bone, if bone I get child one is not equal to null, if, yeah, so we're getting the bone, the physical bone itself, and if its second child is not equal to null, so it has a collision shape, because we're going to have an empty here. But it looks like we need we're going to put an empty here, because this doesn't have one, so we're just going to call it mesh. That way it won't trigger an error on this, because it's going to check this bone, and it's going to be like, there is no child null here. Like it can't check that you get child one, because it doesn't have two children. I don't think that's going to fix the problem, but it's going to be like, if instance is valid, bone did get child one. Which is why I put this in here, so I didn't have to do that. It's still giving me the error. One 136. There is no 136 on here. It would have to be my bone generator script. Or maybe I should just do if is instance valid, because if bone dug get child one, because that's technically true, but not in every sense of the word. So I don't think we need this. The 135, I don't think we need that. This is just like it's like they're both kind of doing the same thing anyways. Actually, I prefer the, what's here? For bone and blue bones, if bone is physical bone 3D, and if instance that is valid, do this, else pass. I'm beginning to think this is what's causing the error. So, let's push this aside. And let's do if dot bone dot get child 1 is not equal to still giving me the error. Is there like a thing in here? No, it's just there's no settings, just buttons. Then again, it could be gaslighting me. Let's just reload the whole damn scene. One three six condition bones p bones that visible bone is true. What do you mean, you dumb bitch? I need to use the bathroom. How long have I been streaming? About half an hour. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay. Hello, everybody. So still doing it. I assumed it was a script, but I don't know. Let's remove it. So this 136 is not the script. That's strange. Is it because I'm in script mode? I have no clue what's causing this. I'm gonna put this back. What was the error? Nothing in the script that does that. Oh, is that it? That got rid of the error? Oh, god damn it. Hang on, let's reload it again. Okay, I got rid of the error, but we still got this set to true thing. Oh, is that in here? We got 4 different bones causing problems. I got all those errors again. That's really strange. And this moved again. I don't know why that moved. Cursed. It still gets the error. What the hell? It doesn't even have 136. Hang on, I might be getting that errors because I have other scenes open. Okay, that makes more sense. So that other error we was getting was because of the player. God damn it. I thought it was just reloading the one scene. It wasn't. Ah, well, at least we figured that out. So that error with all the quaternions, it's just the player. We still have this issue. I don't know what this error is, and I don't like errors. I don't want any errors in my console. There's no way in hell I ship a game with errors popping up. Unless it's like a known bug and it's a false negative. No, I don't want this because I hate Google. Alright, this is... Why does it make the error code so big? It might be because the importer... Alright, let's keep that. Close this out. We're going to close the banner out. I'm going to go down to canyon grass. Zero console and hit reload. So the canyon grass doesn't have this problem. I'm beginning to think it is an issue with the bones. Or the exporter, I mean. Because this doesn't have any errors whatsoever. So there's something wrong with the export. We got different export settings. So go back to Golda's banner. There's the error. So we're going to minimize this. We're going to go back to Blender. There's one setting I wasn't so sure about. What is this in the back? Origin. That's for the asset layer. Wait, what the hell? Cardinals, banner, exports. Where's my file? What the hell did I import? Okay, that's weird. I must have dragged and dropped it, and I just don't know what I was doing. Alright, that's correct. We're going to check everything. Let's go open up another blend file. Yeah, we'll get the grass. I think this is what was doing it. Skinning. There are no shape keys, so I got rid of that. Oh, fine. Jesus. Just open it back up. Still doing it. Why? So we're gonna have to compare this to the grass, because clearly something's fucked up. It doesn't have a visibility parent, but this one does. Oh, here we go. Looking at the wrong thing. Oh, there we go. Please go 3D. Area 3D is a sibling. Area 3D. What the hell? Okay, stop ruining Christmas. What the fuck? Alright, that's a problem. The armature needs to be a sibling. This is coal only. We don't want a coal only. I could just do it manually. Let me see what the codes are. I'm gonna do it manually. I can't find the code. Why does this search, like, it doesn't make any sense. Like, mine is coal only. It's just a bunch of random shit that has nothing to do with what I typed. How bad is this search engine? Like, this is fucking terrible. What does font have to do with that? Oh my god. Fix your fucking search. It's fucking terrible. If you ain't specific, it won't pop up. You gotta be exactly specific. You try export minus flow only. Nothing. Let's try export. Nope. Fucking useless. Here we go. Fucking finally. And the trigger needs to be outside. Oh shit. Here we go. I screwed up. I'm just confusing myself. There should be, because this is a clipping object, so area 3, so this is static body 3D. Is it because this is a static body 3D? What does the player use? It's probably why I'm having errors. That static body is screwing shit up. Yeah, it's using here's my 3D, collision shape 3D. So I need something. I need a dynamic. It's a static body is not what we want. So, we're gonna export the banner without its collision because this is probably what's fucking us up here. And we'll, can I get the collision without just the collision? Well, I could create it manually with the button. Go in here, mesh, create, collision shape, sibling. And then I'll have my collision shape, and we'll just make we'll make it ourselves, because I think the static bodies was fucking it up. Starting to get hungry. When did I start this? 9 o'clock? Yeah, wow. This would go here as a sibling to the skeleton. And it's gonna misfire because it wants 0, 2 in the script, I think. Which is really stupid. We should make this percent access unique name. And then change the script. Yeah. That should fix that. Get rid of this. We still have this error. I don't know what is doing that. The settings are the same. I have an idea. Let's take all this out. Let's go ahead and cut this. Let's kill this. Let's go ahead and go to 3D. Generate. Create physical skeleton. Create a new node. Scene 3D. We're just going to paste these in here. So we got an error. Interesting. Clear everything. We're going to hit save scene. We're going to close this out. The error's gone. But over here, I think we still have the error. Let's cut this. Don't save. And we take all of this. That's so cursed. Take all of these and then delete them. It's the same method. I don't understand what the issue is. Only difference is this is using box shapes. I also don't get this error on the player. So is it the collision or is it the bones? That's what I want to know. Let's test that. Let's at least narrow it down. So let's take all of these, cut, paste, delete this. Take our physical shapes out. Take all of our physical shapes. Maybe we should just do one at a time. Also, it's missing some bones. What the hell? Got mid, left, right, top, right, and mid, left. Okay, top, top, mid, mid. Where's the lower? It's missing, like, part of it. The top of mid, the end is not here. It's really weird. Wow, this great physical skeleton thing sucks dick. It's embarrassing. Got the base, got these two, but it didn't get the end. How shitty of a button is this? Like, this is useless. Any fucking ways. Just gonna move on. That's just embarrassing, man. Come on. Also, I gotta delete these because I don't even know what's going on anymore. Top right, top left. Stop! God damn you! You fucking bitch! Douchebag. We're gonna copy the thing and everything. So we're gonna do the top first. Ah, sorry, y'all. I got a fucking stupid fucking hangnail. Ah, it's still working. There, alright. The base bone has an error. We might as well get them over here, because it's may cause a problem. Alright. Yeah, no errors. So it's not the collision. It could be the bones. Or what we're going to test, it could be the physical simulator as well. So what I'm going to do is we're going to copy the whole all the bones, just the bones, and see what happens. But it's not our collision shape. We ruled that out. So that's good. Actually, let's go ahead and make this percent, and we're going to attach the script just to make sure. It's just stupid shit you just have to do, I guess. I don't know. Save the banner, close it. Yeah, no errors. Good, good, good. So now we're gonna copy the bones over. We're just gonna copy one. So we're gonna kill this mid bone here. We're gonna delete this, and then we're gonna copy. Which one did I delete? The left mid bone. Copy the whole mid bone. Just gonna paste this into here. Ah. Condition is inside tree. Returning transform 3D. What is this? So yeah, we already have an error. It looks like it's an import setting error. I'm not getting, oh yeah, I'm opening it and I'm not getting any crazy errors though, so that's cool. Because if we go to our collision, which one was that? This one. Could be something in here that's fucking up shit. So let's compare this to the player. So we got it is there's the scene. Physical on 3D. It has a name. This all looks the same to me. I didn't know you could do that. That's pretty cool. Too bad it doesn't have a physical bone option in here. That'd be cool. Not that you need it, but yeah, I missed this physics tab. I need to play around with that. That could save a step or two here, maybe. Man, I don't get any errors anymore, which is a little weird. Okay, I guess we'll just delete all of these. That was weird. I guess my physical bone simulator was glitched. Okay, so one of these is causing an error. Is it this one? It's possible the settings on one of these are broken. Okay, so it wasn't that one. I guess we'll just keep deleting these one at a time. Oh, it was that one. The left end bone. Is it because of this thing? I don't know why it's disabled. Who cares? Quit complaining. Yeah.
Okay, I actually something.
What's that?
Okay. You know how you said
Mm-hmm.
you would
Right. Huh?
buy cigarettes for me?
Well, I mean, yeah, if it was, you know, oh, it's hard to explain. Like as long as you guys have the money to give me back, I can do it, but I can't. I didn't mean I was gonna like buy it. I'm broke.
Okay.
I mean, you can have this change or this change. You too up, Fantail. You don't need any more food.
Okay.
Yeah, next week I'm only gonna have like $80, and then after groceries it's only gonna give me like $20. I still gotta get through the week, and I need $8 more for bus fare just to make it through the week for my job, and then I probably won't get paid till the next week. I'm like, so like the after next week when I do my job, I'll have no money left until I get paid. If I had the extra money, I wouldn't care. I'd lend it to you, but I'm just really low on money right now. Well, he is a big baby. Look at that. Look at that. You're spoiled. Here's your baby. Meow.
Too much wet food, but we're out.
Yeah, he keeps throwing up.
Yeah, you keep trying to eat plastic.
Maybe it's like inverted or something. I don't know. It's cursed. Well, clearly it's cursed. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add our own physical bone because I gotta figure out what's wrong with it. You need to chill, man. It still says it. That's freaking weird. Why is it doing that? So it's clearly something wrong with the skeleton. The armature is like fucked up. I don't know what's wrong with it. It could be. This whole stream is just trying to fix stupid dumb fuck errors. Because Godot is kind of stupid. Yeah, you can have different sections. See, all of these are a child to the pelvis. The control, like, I got all of these other, you know, things. But here's our floor, and everything's connected. Shit, even the floor has pose mode enabled. I just made this. We know it's not this. This is not the problem. This is not the problem. It's something is communicating to. It's got to be the skeleton. All right, we'll go back to Blender. Let's open up the grass. I keep forgetting we should have this. Wow, you could take any fucking longer, jeez. Okay, I think that's the problem. We got two different scales on our thing. We need to make everything like a uniform. That's step one. I don't know if that's gonna help. Let's we check the armature settings. I don't know why that would matter. What would be in here? Like, I wouldn't even fuck with. I don't think I would, anyways. What would be in here? Deform, deform, deform. That's the only thing I think of. Maybe something got turned off. It's not a deform bone. There we go. These also suffer from the same thing as well. So, can we do a batch export? I'll try. I don't think it's gonna work. Yeah, we're not gonna do that. There's only 6 objects. Don't care about animation, shape keys, compression, to mesh. I don't care. It's probably a good thing we export because this the rest position was enabled and we turned that off. So we'll probably need to do this too. So temp power tap PBR, power tap PBR. So do right, left, right, left, right, left. So that's done. Check the bones in here. I mean, they have to be deformed, otherwise it wouldn't animate. Alright, we'll do that for now. I mean, we made a bunch of changes. Hopefully that's enough to do stuff. I can check the modifier. Seems fine. Alright, we'll go with that. It's parented, I believe. Yep. Stop. Alright, let's see if that works. I don't know how all of that got in there, but it did. I hit the batch button. Maybe that's how that happened. We're just gonna delete these. I'm going to copy this to our collision folder. Still looking good. Alright, we're gonna have to reload Godot because it didn't do the import thing it's supposed to do. So I'm just gonna have to turn it back on. Warning! That's weird. Oh, obsolete. It's complaining about things that have the same name. Alright, I'll fix that. That's fine. So this is our new physical bone simulator. So we're just going to redo the whole process of generating all of this. So we're going to delete this. I'm just going to go to our collision. And we're just going to drag all of this in. I'm going to clear this error real quick. Okay, that's normal. That's good. That's a good sign. That just means it hasn't been assigned a bone yet. So we're going to do top right, top left, fabric right, or mid right, mid left, end right, end left. So I hit save scene and then close it out. See what happens. Hey, that's a good sign. Yay! reset transforms. So they're off by a lot. I don't know why it's doing that, because they have the same, they should have the same origin point. They might not, though. I might have fucked that up. Let's check. And they have the same origin point. Let's do this open. Assign. Yeah, assign reset. It's really strange. It won't. Yeah. Go ahead and hit save so you can close this out. Yeah, we got rid of the errors, so the scaling was the issue. We have a problem though, because it's not lining up. I don't know why it's doing that. Oh, I think I know why it's doing that. I think the collision shapes I make need to be like they need to be their own, not the same position. I think they need their own origin point. I fucked up. So let's go here. Wait, let me just minimize this. Yep, that was the miss. Wait, hang on. What? Oh, okay. So where the joints. Okay, its origin point should be where the joints are. Okay, that's what I fucked up. Oops. So let's go back to Blender. Objects. Oh, I already have it open. Alright, that's not hard to, that's easy to fix. We just gotta go in here, hit S, cursor to selected. Actually, right, I think it's the bottom, which is the bulbous part, the big part. Yeah, because it goes in this, direction. Pretty sure that's correct. So we'll go click this object. I really need a hotkey for this. Set origin to 3D curvature. That really should be hotkey for that. Oh, thank God. I forgot I did that. Oh, thank God. Woo! Um, origin to 3D cursor. We gotta go here first. Click this. I can't do it in there. Oh, man. Everything hurts. Actually, I could just. That's the easy part. Hang on, I can just do shit. Cursor. There we go. Then go here. Set origin to 3D cursor. Go. Wait, this one's wrong. I screwed this one up. I skipped over it on accident. Here. Object. Bam, 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 bam. Let's try. I don't think it's gonna work, but we'll try the batch export. Doesn't mean I got it. It should work. I don't think it's gonna work, but I'm gonna try it. So we'll go to batch export, and we're just gonna stick it in here. I'm terrified. Really? Did I get this saved before that happened? Thank God. Apparently, if I just hang out in that window, it crashes. Export it real quick. Well, we got some files. I don't know if they're correct. It's got the wrong names though. It's got like the Godot naming convention. I don't like that. It's gotta be lowercase, because everything else is lowercase. By the time I rename all of them, I could just do it manually. Okay, well, alright, there's a way to fix this, and that's to change their names in Blender. Do the underscore and all that on the actual mesh. But I think that causes another problem where, if I open this up, this is going to be the wrong name, and it's going to have to be renamed through code. You just can't win. You just can't win. There's always one importer or exporter that cancels out your naming convention. It is just so dumb. Like, I would be better off just making a global script that fixes the names and just not even fucking with the exporter importer shit, because they just fuck up all the assumptions that the exporters and importers do is so annoying. They're so what it is, they're incompatible with each other. Like, you got one doing one thing, you got one doing the other thing, and they just don't care. It's really annoying. They just click cancel out each other. Alright. I mean, that'd be cool. I wouldn't have to worry about file names in here anymore. I can just do whatever I want. Assuming the batch export works, which I don't even know if it did. Let me go ahead and paste these in here. Can you like refresh, please? Just do a reload project. Oh, hey MHL, what's up? It's fine, you don't gotta say nothing. Did I not? Oh, I'm a dumbass. Remember to copy and paste stuff over. Yeah, don't minimize that. There we go. I just want to compare it. So we got fabricated PPL left. This is normal. Everything is normal. And then we go over here. Okay, so the batch export did work, even though it likes to crash a lot. There's nothing wrong with this. All look good to me. So, I really need to just make a rename script. Can I change the name here? How would you change the name? I can't skip import on it because I need it. We have a mesh here. To the file. Materials, go to match. I guess I could just forego the underscore. Because this is kind of just, this underscore thing is holding me back. And it's not that big of a deal. You know, we're going to forego the underscore thing, because that's just annoying. It's like, there's no way for me to rename this. And make it lowercase with underscores. As far as I know, there's nothing I can do to fix this. Alright, Reddit fucking sucks. Why would they have a pop-up? I shouldn't have to log in, god damn it. Hell yeah, that's dope. The hardest thing I did in terms of like platforming was probably forgetting how pendulums work and pseudo regalia. I didn't know you could hit them. It was the most difficult jump parkour shit I ever did just because I was a dumbass. I literally made it harder on myself. Oh, my ears. I'll be right back. Well, Windows has a feature. So just do that, I guess. I don't know, demo. Just give me the file, you bastard. Oh my god. You can do it, MHL. You just gotta tap into your Zen state. You gotta think of something that makes you really happy, and then you gotta think of something that makes you really angry. And you think about both of them at the same time. I don't know. I'm just making shit. I'm dying. Oh my god, just give me this already. Why are there so many loopholes? Oh my god, just give me this. Let me download. Yay. Oh my god. Alright, I give up on this. This is being a piece of shit. Wow, that takes forever. Why does this look wrong? There we go. No, my stuff. I'm in the wrong folder. Oh. Well, you know my politics now. This is, I'm pretty sure this is Alex Jones saying to, invoke the 25th Amendment. And this is the dumb piece of shit that was like Trump, 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 Trump. He's a piece of shit, and I got a list of. I'm making a list of all the people that supported Trump, so when he's finally gone, they can't be like, "Oh, I hated Trump the whole time." And it's like, no, no, you didn't. It sounds inappropriate. The name of this is Power Toys. It sounds highly inappropriate. I would prefer to put this in my application area. Where is that? Installations. Yes, in here. Shit. Fucker, I knew it was gonna do that. I mean, there's probably a setting for the exporter. I don't know how to use it. Also, it's really buggy. It like triggers a bunch of errors for no reason. I don't know why that's doing that. I'm gonna go over here and we're gonna see maybe I don't think I can, but I'm gonna try to. Maybe it's in the setting preferences. Shader editor online. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Well, it's too late for that. No, here we go. How do I, well, shit. If I gotta do Python scripting, that's out of the question. I don't got time. Nothing in there. It's probably gonna create a save, I guess. Dispatch rename. That's Blender objects. You have no option over here. Fuck. Where are the options? There's none. There are no options. I don't see any options. Anyways, we're gonna close this out. Yay! Oh my god, there's a lot of stuff. Power rename. Does it just work? Uh, 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 uh. Default and extended context menu. Is this like enabled? Oh, okay, it's on. Okay, it's on. Supposedly that's on. We're gonna try this. And my toe hurts. We're gonna have to move this over. I can't see. Okay. Rename a paragraph name. Replace with search for. Oof. File name on. Folders. Don't care about that. Just deselected one. Case sensitive. Search for fabric. Replace with fabric. Oh, cool, it doesn't close out. Thank God. And vid. This is way faster. Good enough. Text formatting. Can I make the everything lowercase automatically? Yeah. Wow, that's a cool tool. Y'all should get this. This is dope. Sometimes you gotta take a break in HL. Like that's what I did with the pseudo regalia. I like got so mad I turned that shit off. Next time I tried when I was cooled off, it's probably the following day. I was able to do it. Got through my own. Although in my case it was because of my own stupidity. Um, so I don't know if that counts because I do really dumb shit. But I think generally just taking a break helps. That's my point. That's where I'm trying to go with this. Taking breaks are nice. You gotta have breaks. Jesus Christ, I am fucking autistic. How do I close this out? This thing is huge. Do I just click away? There we go. Ah! Fuck! So which ones are the real ones? Because I don't even know anymore. Ah, dicks. I gotta do it again. Ah. It's a pretty long time to be on one section. There we go. Frickin' holy poop. Oh my lord. It's still labor intensive. Anytime I wanna... Maybe I should just do the fabric. All of the other stuff could just stay stuck together. Because that's... Doing all the segments is a pain in the ass. I got, I should have did it the other way now I think about it. Yeah, I'm a dumbass. I should have did PBL left and PBR right, and then put the underscore behind it, or one in front of it, and then that would have got them all. Instead of typing end, mid, top, I could have just typed 2. I was doing it wrong. No big surprise. We're just gonna expand collapse. We're gonna take all of these. We're gonna delete these. And we're gonna go in and we're gonna fix it. So we're gonna go. There's a little node. I wish I could copy that name. I can't. Fabric. Reports. 3D. Alright. I still gotta type them. It's annoying. I don't think there's any way around typing their names unless I override the... Oh, it's because I deleted the import file. I probably shouldn't have done that. Oh well, I fucked up. Yeah, I don't blame you. So that should be all of them. Got a bunch of out of bounds. Don't seem to be having any other errors. Just that. Alright, let's go ahead and click. So this is PBR right. Also lines up, so that's cool. Fabric, PBR right. Fabric. Top right. Oh my god. Right. Top left. Mid right. There. Now I go in here. Reset. Son of a bitch. Why is it doing that? That's completely wrong. I've changed. What's going on? Did I not save the scene? Oh my god, I don't care. Maybe I forgot to save it. No, that's correct. What is it doing? Why is it... I should add a child node that has all these bones, all these meshes in it, because now I'm more experienced. I can make the generate scripts thing easier and have all of the shapes go into a separate node and then take those shapes, create a physical, kind of like the marker system. Instead of markers, it would be meshes and then create a shape from them directly to the bones instead. And I could just bypass the collision thing because it would be all one model. All we would need is uh, the rig. It'd have its collision templates in it. I just don't understand why it's doing this because I set the damn marker, but it's acting like it's down here. So maybe I did the wrong direction. I guess I did it backwards. Which doesn't make sense though. Well, why didn't the reset transform not work? Do I need to generate the collision first? My reset transform is broken. Yeah, it's the bone that's the problem. It's not the seam. It's just fucking with me again. Oh, rotation, but also position. There we go. Ah! Alright, I'll go ahead and toggle meshes. So we got our collisions. Everything's set up. We hit save scene, closes out. I'm gonna back up, no errors. We got our script done. Now we got that. This is at half. Alright, let's go test it. I don't think it's gonna work, but we'll go test it. Gonna go to the map folder. I gotta make sure you have to hide these manually. See if that did it. It did not. Damn it. Script. I need to find the edited scene route. Bar. visibility. Let's call this false equal false. Is false. Get created. See, we'll see that works. Single scenes 3D. Close the banner out. Open the banner back up. And then toggle meshes, which should save it. Son of a bitch. Alright, well, I don't know how to make it permanent. Oh, you know, I know what I could do. So this is a tool script, so it doesn't run. Oh, we don't need feedback signal on this. Test script, test script, test script, test script. Is there a process mode? Ready? We'll just do ready mode. Function ready. Why didn't it pop up? Normally it doesn't for me. Thank you. I'm lazy. I don't want to do that. We're just gonna go in and the toggle meshes. And we're just gonna run that on ready. It should fix it. I figured I was gonna get an error. I think I know what did it. No, that's percent unique. Cannot call a method get children on no value. What are you talking about? It's add-on ready. PP simulator equal this thing. Alright, well, fine then. If you're gonna be a douche nozzle, bypass the add-on ready and I'll just do it in here. If we're doing this shit again, Why even have the percent unique fucking thing if it ain't gonna get the goddamn node? God damn you. Let me just stick this at the top and indicate child 0. That probably would work better. I don't know why. It's so fucking stupid, man. Why does that work better than the unique call? I don't understand. Missions. What are you talking about? Oh, because I know why. I know why. It's this one. Stop it. Access is unique name sucks dick. This is working. It was working. I have it in my phone. It all broke. Okay, well, this got broken somehow. I don't know what happened. What the fuck? Is it because if I move the physical bone simulator? I didn't change anything. No, I better look at my script because something's not right here. Alright, well, it's not that. 3D, the script is fine. Because the X? That might be. I turned the X off on both. I did change. To be fair, I did change that. Oh my god, this stream. There we go. Okay. That explains a lot. Okay, so it wasn't the size of the bones, that's the problem. It definitely wasn't the size of the bones. I mean, they had their own issue. They had a separate issue, but god damn. That explains a lot. Fucking weird ass shit in there. Well, I broke the grass. So maybe we should turn Z off. Now let's turn Y and X off and just have Z. God, it takes so long to load. as you can see, the armature does not. All it does through turn. It takes forever. The issue is you shouldn't be allowed to move this outside like that. Eventually it'll return, but why does it do that? I feel like you need the root bone because these need to be able to move. This one does not need to be able to move. I feel like we need this. The problem is it gets really glitchy if you use it. And it won't let you lock all of these either. I can make it static maybe. I turned off all the layers so it shouldn't trigger. We don't want any of the angular. We don't want the bottom to rotate at all. We can maybe leave, let's just do the angular Y maybe. I don't know. I guess I don't know. It's make it static. It can't collide. So I guess inherit. Shit. Did I do the? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. We just locked the Z so it doesn't go up in the air. I guess let's try that. Okay, now we get the spinning glitch where the bottom spins. We don't want it to spin. It's not how plants work, man. If you had like a big old like truck or something, it would yank it. What I need to do is I need to make a because we have the initial timer, right? We need a second timer. We need another area body that as soon as you exit it, it switches back. I mean, the first one does that too, but this definitely works a lot better now. So give it that. What about this? Oh yeah, no, it's because it's blocking me. I don't remember doing that. Three and three. One of these. Ah. I think it's just one. I can't remember. Yeah, it has to be one because that's player and terrain. And two at some point because that's for bullets. Yeah, nothing. Alright, cool. Lowering the errors, not getting as many errors. That's good. Oh, joint. I know joint type. I'm gonna have to like make a standardization for this. This is ridiculous. This is just too many settings. I don't want to do this manually. Right now we have it on like basic mode. That's fine. No access lock, so it's just gonna do whatever it wants to do. Whatever it wants to do. Sleep. The grass uses mask 1. Yep. Sleep. Let's try again. I don't know. You had no hinge types, man. That's why. Ugh. Also, it's not registered. Oh, I gotta reconnect it. I think that's what happened. I removed the script. It needs to be reconnected. Okay, that's a good sign. It hasn't fallen apart. Baby touch. Oh, it melted! Oh my god. That was terrifying. Alright, so we need to add the same thing. We're just going to copy it from the grass because it works. What happened to my grass? These names are wrong. I think I prefer this. And it should have the same name as the thing. Ah, fuck! This ain't a fabric. This is grass. This would be plant roots. Plant mid. Plant top. Copy this. Paste. And we're just gonna call this fabric root. In 3D mode, I'm just gonna see where it's at. It's actually not a bad spot, but we're gonna make it longer. Right there. We can go a little longer, why not? There's that spear point at the top. I'm gonna get that covered. Did I lock it? I did something I wasn't supposed to do. That'll do it for now. Never worked. I'm going to change this to how to do that. Oh, because I copied it. Oh, base bone. They don't even have that name anyways. Would be base bone. Should have named it root. Sure, whatever, conjure. We're just gonna make the collision no collision. And we're just gonna, yeah, same, everything's the same in that. So that should help lock it into place so it doesn't fall. Because it has nothing to hang on to. So we'll hit save scene. And it fucking crashed. Oh my fucking god. Oh boy. Definitely need to make my bone thing more automated. The generator. Okay. Can I play my map, please? My lord, my lord! Hey, oh my god, the whole damn thing fell. What the shit? That was pretty cool looking, but that's not what I want to do. So I'm going to turn this off, make this a pin joint, static, collision. It don't even collide, so I don't know how it fell. How do I freeze a body? Alright, I don't know how to do that. We're gonna have to look it up. No, not. Oh my god, reconnect, damn it. Oh my god. Alright, we're back, everybody. Holy shit. I don't know what happened. Why is there not like a freeze mode just inherently? Like, why do I have, why? One, I don't fucking know. If I disable it, it don't work. It still, it like melts. No, no, don't. So disable mode does work. Also, this is fun. Oh, hey, Majel. I just finished the banner. Only problem is it needs to reset. It's saving the position, but you can touch it. That works. It shouldn't save the position. That's a problem. So I gotta figure out how to reset this. Dumplings. You know, it's funny is the physical bone resets, but the mesh does. I don't know why the mesh lags behind. Like if I touch it, it resets. Really weird. I think I need to do a start stop. So I stop it, start stop. I think that would fix it. I'm gonna try it. I know, right? It's freaking crazy. I figured influence would need to be 0. Maybe I don't even need to use influence. Maybe I just stop it. Maybe I'm overthinking this. Let's just make it, it's 0.5. We'll just stop it and see what happens. Ugh. Okay, that didn't solve nothing. This is where we have it ready. Don't care about that. On timer timeout. This is just debug stuff. Random state, which runs in process. I don't know why it has delta time. I'm not using delta. Yeah, I mean, I showed you my pixel art. Did you forget? I don't say I'm good at it, but you know, I can do pixel art. I did some pixel art animations for Unicorn. Yeah, because we're waiting for the timeout. So this doesn't run until the timer hits 0. Now you're gonna have to give me like an example don't know what exactly you mean. So it freezes in place. What if we just don't stop it? What if we just let it be itself? Just let it free. It's free of all constraints. I mean, I know what a tile set is, but like do you mean like a sprite sheet? I don't know exactly what you mean because you're doing a 2D game. So I know there's a sprite sheet. I'm assuming usually when you say tile set, I would assume like a level and like the different things for the level, like the tiles of the level. And all the thing does sleep, but that's see, this is my problem. If you don't stop it, it just keeps going like a goober. What is it getting caught on? It's getting caught on something. I think these bones are a bit too big. They shouldn't get stuck up there. What are they getting stuck on? Are they getting stuck on the pole? They must be getting stuck on that pole. Hang on. Which is impossible. I disabled it. Well, let's take the layers off. Yeah, and put it in Discord, I guess. No, this is a problem now. It's phasing through the pole. I want that. So I think they're too thick. That's the problem. These are too thick, and that's why they're getting stuck. So we gotta make this thinner. Granted, I mean, it's fine if it phases through. It's not like the end of the world. So it'll work more predictably this way. Um, it's pretty fun. What does this do? I mean, it seems to be fine without the disable thing. But I don't like how long it takes for it to turn off. Like eventually it turns off, but geez, it takes forever. It looks like it has a built-in like performance saving thing. That's the fake one. Probably make the collision on the grass bigger because of that. So it is kind of thin. You can skip it if you don't hit the edges. So it should probably make it bigger. Ignore that one. That one's supposed to be that way. Yeah, I don't know. I guess we don't need to turn it off. Because I have the enabled can it sleep thing. Let's go look at what that does. I was just assuming it wasn't doing enough. Okay. I guess, yeah, that'll work. I'm overthinking everything. We'll just use that because it's running pretty good. It's not like this is lagging out. I'm hitting all of these. And I can always make it client side because this is meaningless. Um, I could do more with the physics. I wanted to like disable it completely until you entered the area body 3D. Yeah, I think I was just overthinking it. Um, well, I made some pretty decent progress. I need to get some food. It's been like 3 hours. I'll see you later, Mitch. Yeah, I'll take a look at that stuff later. Maybe tomorrow. I gotta get some food, and then I gotta go stream Path of Exile. But I'm out here.